Most psychology fans fail question 3. Mirror neurons were accidentally discovered in which animal? It's A. Italian researchers noticed macaque neurons fired just by watching others grab food. Question 2. Contagious yawning is linked to which social trait in humans? It's C. Studies show people with higher empathy scores catch yawns significantly faster. Question 3. At what age do children typically start catching contagious yawns? It's B. Before age 4 to 5, children lack the social brain development needed for yawn contagion. Question 4. What percentage of people yawn after seeing someone else yawn? It's D. Research confirms roughly 50% of adults catch a yawn just by witnessing one. Drop your score below. Can you beat 4 out of 4?